Okay, here's the fifth wheel hitch. You can drop that post out and put in a gooseneck for a ball if you would want to. There on the hitch you see where you can put an accessory to the batteries to run something else. Here are your landing gear. Each landing gear can be extended to retract. Here's a step for getting up in. Here's a toolbox. Chains, binders, straps, ratchets. This is a decking. Here's the undercarriage. Here's the suspension. This is tread depth. All 8 tires, good tread depth. Oil bath. Ramps, all 3 ramps for driving up on. Reinforced. To a flat deck. Tail lights. See all 4 tires. Identical. Good tread depth. Here, I'll lay underneath and give you a shot from it underneath. You see the reinforcing. Framing underneath here.
It's upside down.
Huh?
It was upside down.
Your batteries, your brake controller. Here's for accessories to plug in the hitch where we talked about.
The winch.
The winch. In and out. We have this for quick release. Tarps. The one tarp needs to be resewn. Spare tire, good tread. We have this here. We bought as a new trailer. It wasn't built strong enough. It cracked, so I took it to a guy who repairs trailers, and I told him we had tried warranty, they wouldn't warranty it. So he repaired it. We put in much thicker. This is what was, this is what is now. You can see it was professionally done. We put an arch in the floor. If you look down here, you can see the arch in the trailer. Reinforced and underneath the frame. We spent $10,000 We paid $35, spend another $10 building it to where it'll take the weight. It's a trailer stronger than what you can buy. It weighs 6,500 pounds and you can haul its maximum gross weight, and it handles it very nicely.